In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Google Sheets with ClickUp. What you need to do is to go to the Teams page you'd like to integrate Google Sheets with. In my case, it is this one. I'll be clicking View and go to Google Sheets. Let's click that. All right, so here it is. Now you'll need to put the website URL of the Google Sheets you'd like to integrate it with. So I'll be going to the next tab and copy this link and paste here. Then click Save. And there you have already integrated Google Sheets with ClickUp. And if you'd like the other one, you can just embed the HTML here. And by doing so, you'll need to click the file, go to Share, Publish to Web, and click Embed. You'll need to publish this to the web in order to get the embedded link. So let's copy that and then go here, paste the embed HTML and save. And voila, that's about it. That's how easy it is to integrate Google Sheets with ClickUp. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.